Hello, my dear children. Good morning. Have a nice day. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. Okay, children. Welcome to grade 1 mathematics class. Children, today we are going to revise chapter 5 numbers from 10 to 20. In this chapter, first let us revise before, between, after concept. Okay, BEFORE, before, between, 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 after, 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 before, between, after. Okay, see children, what are these? These are fruits: banana, strawberry, orange. Do you like fruit, children? Yes, we all like fruits. Okay, let's come to the concept. The banana is placed before the strawberry. Okay, the orange is placed after the strawberry. Thus, the strawberry is placed in between the banana and orange. Okay, do you understand, children? Let me go to the next one. What comes before? Yes, now we are going to see what comes before number. Okay, see children, what number is this? 1919. What comes before 19? 18, 19. Okay, see the next number. What comes before 8? 7, 8. See the next number. What number is this? 5. What comes before 5? 4, 5. Okay, see the next number. What number is this? 3. What comes before 3? 2, 3. Okay, do you understand, children? Now we are going to see between number. Okay, what comes between? See children, 11 and 13. What comes between 11 and 13? 1 to 12. 11, 12, 13. See the next one. 4 and 6. What comes between 4 and 6? 5. Okay, see the next number. 16 and 18. 1, 6, 16. 1, 8, 18. What comes between 16 and 18? 1, 7, 17. 16, 17, 18. See the next one. 2 and 4. What comes between 2 and 4? 3. Okay, 2, 3, 4. See the next one. 14 and 16. What comes between 14 and 16? 1, 5, 15. 14, 15, 16. Okay, see the next one. 5 and 7. What comes between 5 and 7? 6, 5, 6, 7. Okay, children, do you understand? Now we are going to see after numbers. Okay, what comes after? See children, what number is this? 1, 6, 16. What comes after 1, 6, 16? 1, 7, 17. See the next number. 1, 7, 17. What comes after 1, 7, 17? 1, 8, 18. See the next number. 1, 3, 13. What comes after 1, 3, 13? 1, 4, 14. See the next number. 9. What number is this? 9. What comes after 9? 1, 0, 10. Okay, do you understand, children? Now we are going to see numbers 201 to 250. 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. Okay. Do you understand, children? Now we are going to see addition table 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 5 is 11. 7 plus 5 is 12. 8 plus 5 is 13. 9 plus 5 is 14. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, children? Do you understand? Okay. Today math class is over, children. I hope you understand these before, between, after concept and numbers 201 to 250, then addition table 5. Okay. Today math class is over. We will meet in next class. Thank you, children.